In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Windows Defender Security on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The first thing you need to do is to go on your Start menu and then search on Windows Security. And here's Windows Security. Tap on it to open. Look for the option called Virus and Threat Protection. Tap on it to open. Then under Virus and Threat Protection, look for the Virus and Threat Protection settings, which is this. Then tap on Manage to open it. Then look for the feature called Real-Time Protection. This is what you should disable. So go ahead and toggle on it to disable. So once it is disabled like this, then as you can see here, the protection is off, meaning you have disabled your Windows Defender. So that's how you disable Windows Defender on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI.